Another woolly review, King Cole Prize DK. Now this comes in 32 colours, I think it was. The cheapest place I found it was on Purple Linda Crafts for £1.74. This is in the shade Jade, and despite what it shows on the camera, it really is like spot on what you'd expect for Jade. 100% premium polyester and approximately 328 yards, 300 meters. And they recommend a size 4 hook because it is a DK, and so that is what I'm going to use. Because, you know, when I do these reviews, I like to use what is recommended, not what I'd rather use, what is recommended. Now this feels a lot thinner than I'd expect. I mean, it looks like a DK, but it feels thinner. Maybe that's because it feels cheaper. I don't know. There is no stretch in there. Now we are only doing a sample swatch because this is a prize that has gone to a Woolly Wednesday winner back in May, I think. And I don't want to mess it up for her or him. And so I'd only do a small swatch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. It doesn't feel as soft as I expected polyester to feel. Now, ages ago, I made bees and a hive with polyester. And this is polyester from Hobby Lobby. And this feels exceptionally soft. This feels soft. there's already a little difference, so I'm comparing already. But let's go in for a row of single crochets. And while I do that, can you see the stitch markers? I can do them with a knitter's ring, a special star ring if you wish, a lobster clasp, a lever back in gold or silver, your choice, in any colour you wish. Just got to let me know. And if hanky markers are not your thing, maybe other stitch markers are. If you are willing to go and take a gander at my Etsy shop, I'd really appreciate it. The link is down below, underneath where the information for this King Cole is sitting. We are doing a half double crochet row. The colours are rather quite bright for this. Nice array. And let's face it, we like choice. If we don't have the choice, we complain. If we have choice, we complain. Let's face it, we like complaining. But I think there's a nice array of colours to choose from with this particular. It feels quite nice to work up. Again, it just feels a lot thinner than I'm ordinarily used to with a DK, and I can only put that down to the composition of the wool. And let's do our last row. Which is a DC round. Now I have got the hook caught up a little bit, a couple of times. Nothing major, thankfully. There is a lot of fuzz on this, so I am a little bit worried for the frog. But we'll see what is what. So there it is. Thank you for the help, Beany. It certainly feels nice. I mean, I would most definitely wear that. It doesn't feel overly cheap on the skin. It feels quite nice. Stitch definition, yeah, I think the fuzz is taking over a lot of that, but it's okay. Let's frog. Slow walk for the frog. Oh, 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 oh my gosh. This is only the slow frog. Oh my word. I'm dreading getting the moped out. Okay. And it wasn't so bad with the fast frog. Better with the fast frog than it was with the standard. And kinkage wise, not bad at all. Not bad at all. I'm very, very surprised. Well, let's get it dressed. Put its waist trainer back on. I mean, I'm glad it didn't catch on itself more because I was so dreading that. I didn't want to go cutting it for the person. So, King Cole prize. It's a prize. Surprise! No, not really. Okay, would I turn my back on it completely? No, no, no. Would I be very annoyed if that's the only full polyester DK in stock and I had to have something and that was it? No. Would I be, it's okay. It's not bad. Well, I would say that. But, oh my gosh, here comes a bean. Thank you. Is that you just kind of putting your 2 pennies in, is it? Yes, okay, thanks. I am going to go to a 4 out of 5. The reason why I am not doing a full 5 is because it is very, very fuzzy. Oh, excuse me. I moved it so you don't sit on it. Dear me. You're a pain in the wool, you are. It's a very good price, but it's very, very fuzzy. It would worry me with the frogging, and it feels a little bit cheap. Personal opinion. Of course, you're not going to feel something at £1.74 and go, wow, it feels like $1,000,000. Like, for real. But still, this is my opinion, my personal opinion. Maybe you have your own. Have you used the King Cole prize? If you have, let me know down in the comments below so that other people can see too. And if you haven't, would you give it a go? Would you try it? Just like that, it feels lovely. It's so soft. And let's face it, a lot of us buy yarn and it just sits there on a shelf, in a cube, in a cupboard, and every now and again, that's about as much as it gets. Anyway, this is my review. Hopefully I will see you again next week. If you have subscribed and you've hit the notification bell, I will see you then. Until then, take care. Have a good one. Bye bye.